Hey guys, Assalamualaikum, hello, hi, and once again welcome back to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And as you noticed that I'll be sharing a fish recipe today. Yes, this is going to be a tandoori masala fish, and I'm going to share right from the scratch how you can make your own tandoori masala and how you can bake your fish in the oven. And this recipe is suitable for any kind of baking, grilling, pan frying, barbecuing, fish, chicken, or even mutton. So let's get started with the recipe now. Here I'll be using in different kinds of garam masalas like cardamom and bay leaf and cinnamons and all that, along with ajwain, peppercorn and cumin. All the ingredients in the description box as well. So please do have a look at all these ingredients, and I'm sure this will be easily available in your kitchen, and this recipe needs no special equipments to be cooked as well. So let's get started. Now take a blender to which you will be adding in cinnamon stick, nutmeg. If you don't have whole nutmeg, you can add nutmeg powder, or if your nutmeg is too big, you can add nutmeg powder. And then mace along with black cardamom, green cardamom, clove, and of course fenugreek is very important ingredient for this recipe, along with black peppercorns, cumin seeds, and ajwain for flavoring as well as for some health benefits, along with dry red chillies and bay leaf. Add all these ingredients first and blend it into a coarsely grounded powder like this, and then you can add the ginger and garlic along with 2 tablespoons of yogurt and half lemon squeezed, and again blend this into a fine puree or a paste like this. Now once the puree is ready, just transfer it to a bowl, and to the bowl you will be adding in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all these ingredients well together. Also don't forget to add the salt please, and then mix all this together and add around 2 tablespoons of ghee to it, because ghee will help your fish to marinate and it will be very juicy from in and from out. Okay, once the masala is ready, let's move on. These are the fishes which I'm going to use. This is black pomfret fish, and definitely we all know that we need to clean the fish and then slit the fish in order to spread out the tandoori masala evenly all over the fish, so that we get to taste the flavor of the masala all over the fish. So just marinate and try to put in the masala into the slit parts especially, and rub it nicely in order to even out the flavors of it in the fish. And then after this is done, you need to just leave this in the refrigerator, cling wrap it and leave it in the refrigerator for at least 15 to 30 minutes before you put it in the oven. So once you put this in the oven, and then this will be baked in the oven for at least 30 to 40 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and don't forget to preheat your oven for at least 5 minutes before you put your fish into it. Okay, and once 30 to 40 minutes is passed by, you will be able to see a very delicious and yummy-licious tandoori fish ready for you right at home with very little efforts and very, very delicious to eat. So there you go guys, please do try this recipe and share your experience in the comment section below. And also would like to thank every one of you, whoever is commenting on my video, saying you have tried it and you have loved it. So thank you once again. And my upcoming recipe, upon very high request and a very high demand, after seeing my chops recipe, people have requested for paratha. So upcoming recipe will be paratha guys. Thank you, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.